Welcome to this lesson on partial fractions. In calculus, we often encounter complex rational functions that are difficult to work with directly. The goal of partial fraction decomposition is to break these complicated fractions down into a sum of simpler, more manageable parts. It is a crucial algebraic technique that makes integration significantly easier. First, let's define what we are working with. A rational function is simply a ratio of two polynomials, which we call p of x and q of x. We classify these into two types. A proper rational function is where the degree, or the highest power of the numerator, is strictly less than the degree of the denominator. An improper rational function has a numerator with a degree greater than or equal to the denominator. We generally perform partial fraction decomposition only on proper rational functions. Why do we go through this trouble? Consider the integral of 1 over x squared minus 1. Trying to integrate this directly can be confusing and difficult. However, if we use algebra to rewrite it as a sum of two smaller fractions, like a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1, the problem changes completely. These simpler terms are just standard logarithmic integrals. By decomposing the fraction, we turn a hard calculus problem into an easy algebra problem. The first and most common scenario is when the denominator factors into distinct linear factors. This means you have factors like x minus, where no factor is repeated. The rule is simple. For every linear factor in the denominator, you create a separate fraction with a constant unknown, usually labeled a, b, or c, in the numerator. Let's look at a concrete example. Suppose we want to decompose 5x minus 3, divided by the quantity x plus 1 times x minus 3. Since the denominator has two distinct linear parts, we set this equal to a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 3. Our goal now is to find the specific values for the constants a and b that make this equation true for all x. To solve for a and b, we clear the fractions by multiplying the entire equation by the original denominator. This gives us 5x minus 3 equals a times x minus 3 plus b times x plus 1. A smart strategy is to pick values of x that make terms 0. If we let x equal -1, the b term disappears, allowing us to solve directly for a if we let x equal 3, though a term disappears and we can solve for b in this case. We find that a is 2 and b is 3. Sometimes a factor appears more than once, such as the quantity x minus a squared or cubed. This is case 2, repeated linear factors. For a factor raised to the power of n, you must include a term for every power from 1 up to n. For example, if you have x minus 2 cubed, you need 3 terms. One with a denominator of x minus 2, one with x minus 2 squared, and one with x minus 2 cubed. Occasionally, you will find a quadratic factor in the denominator, like x squared plus 4, which cannot be factored any further using real numbers. We call this an irreducible quadratic. When setting up the decomposition for these, the numerator cannot just be a constant. Instead, it must be a linear expression, typically written as a x plus b. What if you start with an improper fraction, where the top is more powerful than the bottom? You cannot start decomposition immediately. You must first perform polynomial long division. This will give you a polynomial quotient plus a remainder fraction. The remainder will be a proper fraction, and that is the part you then decompose using the methods we just discussed. Here is your roadmap for partial fractions. First, always check the degrees. If it is improper, divide first. Second, factor the denominator completely. Third, set up the decomposition form based on whether your factors are distinct linear, repeated, or irreducible quadratics. Finally, solve for the constants by choosing convenient x values or equating coefficients. Follow these steps, and you can break down any rational function.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.